Hello everybody and welcome to my indoor walking workout. The workout consists of 30 seconds of walking followed by 30 seconds of toning. It's all standing and super low impact. So if you're ready, let's go! So starting with 30 seconds of walking, go as fast as you want. The most important thing is that you keep moving for the whole 15 minutes.
We're driving down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we're on this town. Your song is on the radio, the one you always like, the one that always gets you psyched. We've been drinking all the cheap wine all night, acting stupid but it feels so right. I know that we will all be just fine.
We're going to start with a cross-body crunch. You want to bring your knee towards your opposite elbow and squeeze your core as you do. Excellent, now we're going to go back to 30 seconds of walking. You can move around the room or march on the spot, it's totally up to you.
Let's keep it going all night, don't stop till we see sunlight. We've been drinking all that cheap wine all night, acting stupid but it feels so right. I know that we will all be just fine, but tonight I just wanna dance it off.
And now we're going to go into the cross-body crunch on the other side. Make sure to keep the movement slow and controlled. Great work guys, carry on walking. Okay, step your feet wide and turn your feet out. Raise your arms above your head and slowly squat down. Make sure to squeeze your glutes as you come up to the top. Let's go back to getting those steps in.
Better boys, I'm on your level. That's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do.
Take a big step back and drive your knee up as high as you can. You can use your arms to counterbalance you, and make sure you're really squeezing your core and your standing leg as you come up to help with your balance. Okay, back to the walking. Swing those arms, guys, to really power your walk.
That I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry. You'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up. Haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do.
Let's work on the opposite side now. Really try to focus on your balance with this one, squeezing those muscles in your standing leg and engaging your core.
That I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
Excellent, back to the walking.
No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend.
Okay, we're going to punch up and overhead, making sure you can feel the stretch down your side.
Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your
And back to the walking again. Swing those arms and bring those knees up.
girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. You got that something, baby, that I can go without, just like a
Now we've got leg lifts. The key here is to keep that leg straight and really squeeze through your glutes to lift the leg up. Try not to arch through your back.
I want that something, baby, 'cause I can go without. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit.
Now back into the walking. Good work, guys. We are halfway through. Keep going.
I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love. 'Cause I'm never gonna get enough. Can't say I'm hurt.
We're going to repeat the leg lifts on the other side. Remember, really squeeze those glutes to lift your leg and squeeze your standing leg as well to keep your balance.
Don't mind the looks, it's getting out of my control. I need your loving, baby. It's all I'm thinking of. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive.
You're doing amazing. Think happy thoughts. Working out should be fun and make you feel good.
I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love.
This time you want to swing your arms down and get some momentum, and as you swing up you want to pop up onto your tiptoes and hold. As you swing back down again, repeat this movement and find a rhythm that suits you.
Never gonna get enough. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit.
Excellent. Now let's get back into the walking.
I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love. 'Cause I'm never gonna get enough of your love.
Take your feet shoulder width apart. As you come up from your squat, we're going to do butt kicks.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club. We'll go all night. I see you in the back. The mood is right.
to the walking. Let's see if we can speed it up a little bit.
You know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase, like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop.
So you're going to reach up and over, stepping your foot out, and then squeeze your core muscles to bring your elbow and your knee together.
Tonight I'll make you see it's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my.
Great work, guys. Carry on walking.
Do it right, the way you're holding me. No, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it. So come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home.
Let's repeat on the other side, reaching up and over and squeezing your abs to bring your knee and elbow together. Really feel the stretch as you reach over.
Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough.
We're almost done, guys. Keep going. Last 2 exercises.
It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see.
As you step back into a lunge, reach your arms up above your head, keeping your core engaged to help with your balance. If this is too difficult, keep your arms down and don't go as low with the lunge.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to.
Great work, guys. Straight back into the walking.
You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little.
Let's do the same on the opposite side, controlling the bend and reaching up as high as you can.
Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you.
And for the last time, let's get back into the walking. Try and push yourself this last little bit. Bring those knees high, get your arms moving, and try and pick up the pace. Well done, guys. I hope you're feeling good and enjoyed this walking workout today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you liked it, please feel free to share with a friend and don't forget to hit subscribe. See you at the next workout, and as always, have a great day.